Am I making sense? Look at me. Am I making sense?
I don't understand.
I'm adjourning your case.
Uh,
I'm giving you a new date. You're entitled to an attorney at the first hearing if you were, that's the law. Malat, Bradley Jacob Malat, 25W8388481. Come on up here, Mr. Malat. What's the pretrial again and name? I cannot dismiss this. You have another retail fraud. And I placed you on probation on June the 25th. So here's what I'm doing. Do you want a lawyer?
no.
I mean, I can't do anything when you got another retail fraud conviction pending or charge pending. Conviction entered. Here's what I'm going to do. Conviction entered. We're going to set this for sentencing. We'll give you 5 weeks. If defendant not convicted of a misdemeanor, I'll change my mind on this, but it looks like you got this other retail fraud. Court will likely change mind, I'll write down. I can't take it for more than a year. But Heather, give me a date about August the 25th, 6th. With Woodhaven. Can you hear me, Heather?
I'm sorry, I was talking to you and I was muted. We don't have Woodhaven here that last week because that would be Judge Hessens and she's off. We have them here August 19th or September 2nd.
August 19th at 8, we'll make it at 9:15, okay? Go down the hall, get your notice. That's going to be down for sentencing. If you're acquitted on that other case altogether, then I'll set aside the conviction. But right now, we're ending the conviction. Prepare to appear. Prepare to
I'm sorry.
comply, rather.
What
Good
time
luck.
did you say, Judge?
9:15.
Okay.
Thanks. Good luck. Go down the hall, get your notice. William Cullen Everett, 267-843-625 A and B. What other one do you have, Ms. Fatio?
Judge, I have Latero Morrow, and he's on break from work and.
I don't know where that is. Where's that file at?
Yeah, and then I have Robert.
Oh, I'll get that next. Your name, sir?
William Everett.
You're charged with driver license not valid and the civil infraction and no proof of insurance. You have the right to an attorney. Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll set you up with a lawyer. You go out in the hallway, you'll meet with the lawyer. I think this is gonna be, just go out there, we'll set you up with a defense lawyer. Go right out the hallway, all to those pews out there. Thank you. People Against the Child Moral, 26W843-636.
Good morning, Judge. The advocate of the 8237, you don't have Mr. Mine.
He waives formal reading, stands mute.
Yes.
Latero Morrow.
All right, not guilty, pleas entered, $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state, cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Should I give him with Ms. Patillo August the 19th?
Let's see. That, yes, we could do that.
Where do you work at?
Work for Market Seabury. So, the nursing home.
How much do you make?
So,
If you can afford your own lawyer, great. Otherwise, you're gonna have to fill out a petition for one, okay?
And I'm sorry, Judge, Miss Patillo's not here on the 19th. It was the 20th that she was going to be here.
Oh, I can't do the
Which-
19th?
Yeah. No, she won't be here the 19th.
That's all right. We'll set her up. We'll set him up with another lawyer, whoever we have.
Okay.
on the 19th, okay? Go down the hall. You're gonna have to fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer if you want a lawyer going forward, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Am I making sense? Look at me. Am I making sense?
I don't understand.
I'm adjourning your case.
Uh,
I'm giving you a new date. You're entitled to an attorney at the first hearing. If you were Warren Buffett, I'd have to give you a lawyer at the first
Oh.
hearing. After that, I have to make sure that you're indigent.
so I got $1,000 bond.
Personal bond. You don't have to post any money. Look at me. Look at me. Don't talk to your lawyer. You don't have to post any money. You'll owe $1,000 to that city of Woodhaven if you don't show up in court, or you leave the state without consent, or you violate a law. Do you understand that?
Yes, but can I say something?
Depends what you want to say. I got all these people here. Go ahead. What do you want to say? It's just an arraignment today.
Uh, you, my kids, I have a vacation set up with my kids, so.
Okay, when?
It is August, no, July 30th to August 4th.
Where are you going?
We're supposed to go to Tennessee.
Good. You can leave the state to go to Tennessee.
Yes, sir.
You can go to Tennessee. I'll just say until August the 5th. That'll cover it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you.
Good
Thank
luck.
you, Judge.
Go down, get your notice. Make sure you fill out a petition. Robert Louis Thornton Jr., 25-837-260. And I also have 25T 644-914A.
Good morning, Judge. Deanna Patillo, 82378 on behalf of Mr. Robert Thornton, station.
I don't know what I can do for him. Here's the problem. I placed him on probation on July 23, 25 under 771.1. I can't go longer than a year. He hasn't paid his fines. Your name again?
Just hold on.
What else didn't he do?
He didn't clear all of his warrants. He did have quite a few warrants. He did clear all of them but one. We're down to one.
I don't know. I gave you a year. You didn't, I told you to get those done by September 15 to 25, not that you'd want to listen.
And then you.
This is now July the 22nd, right? 22nd? You're late. You gotta get us. Go ahead. I don't know what I can do for him. I can't do anything.
Judge, we had a lot of.
I know, but what can I do? It's a year. I mean, I can't go past the year.
He did do the best he could. He got it down to one, warrant inside of
Can he
red.
pay the 270 now?
He can pay it this week, Judge.
He's gonna have to pay it today because this is the last day prosecutor's here and prosecutor can move to dismiss. But the year expires tomorrow. Go get the money. Can you get the money? You got a credit card or a debit card? I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you don't follow orders.
Thank you today.
You can have the 270.
Wait a minute, I can't, the prosecutor's not going to be here. I need a motion from the prosecutor to dismiss this. I don't know what to tell you. You drug your feet the whole time. I told you to come and talk to me if you didn't have the money. Did you do that? No. Because that's too inconvenient, even though I offered to do it by Zoom. I don't want to argue with you. It's just now you want me to bend over and do something I'm not supposed to do because I have to have a motion from the prosecutor to dismiss your case. I'm willing to overlook the clearing of the warrant if you've only truly got one left. And if you can pay the 270 now, I don't have a problem with saying to him, we're okay to dismiss him. But I can't, he's not here tomorrow. They're only in here once a week typically. Some of them are only in here every 2 weeks. What do you want to do? Can you go to somebody and call them and have them pay this?
No, I get my check from work tonight. I was gonna pay it in the morning.
And you can.
Colin, Mr. Urich, I'll tell you what, this now becomes everybody else's problem because you don't listen. But I'm gonna go out of my way, because if I was as fair as you are right now, or have been with us, I'd take your plea, enter the conviction and resent.
Judge, if I could, he was always communicating with me about his lack of payments, things like that. But you always ask that they have to talk to you before their due date.
I know.
Always past that at that point, so I thought it was gonna be worse for him to talk to.
I know. So then they don't want to do that because that's inconvenience. It's gonna take them 10 or 15 minutes to wait for me on Zoom. We're gonna, Mr. Urich, you got a hold of John?
I got a hold of him coming in.
If he can come in with it in the morning. And he's done everything else. You just, Mr. Urich, come on in here. Your name?
Morning, Your Honor. I mean, the city wouldn't.
Defendant here has been dragging his feet and he's still, wait. I'm trying to help you here. What are you talking to your lawyer for?
Ask if I can pay it in the morning.
I asked him.
He can pay it in the morning, right?
Yes.
So would you write up his step? He failed to clear all warrants, but he only has one month. How much does he owe? Does he still owe 270? Is there other fees added in there, Heather?
No, it's still 270, Judge.
You bring in $240 tomorrow. Prosecutor will consider writing up if defendant pays $240 by Thursday, July the 23rd. Prosecutor moves to dismiss and is willing to disregard the fact that he didn't comply with clearing all warrants, something like that. Okay? He only has one left. I'm willing to overlook it. If you don't show up tomorrow, though, there's nothing I can do. All right? What, you want to come in here at what time?
Probably gonna be off at 6, so can I do 10:30 again?
We'll give you 10:30. We're here to please. We try to help. We're trying to make sure everybody is, the only ones that are inconvenienced is the court. We want to make sure everybody can do these now on golf courses, boats, and their patios, and their summer homes, and the, you come on in at 10, that's what you want, we'll give you that. And then I'll worry about the rest. We'll write that up, put it in the file. Thank you. Come on in tomorrow. She'll give you a notice. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
And then you gotta still set your case with Judge Heston, though. So Heather.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
In a tense courtroom exchange, the judge showed clear frustration after learning that a key witness was discovered on the very day of trial. The court criticized the last-minute request for a delay and questioned how such an important witness had gone unnoticed for months. When it was revealed that people had been told to leave before the court officially adjourned, the judge responded sharply, reminding everyone that courtroom procedures must be respected. Although the trial was postponed, the judge issued a stern warning that no further unnecessary delays would be tolerated. The case will now return to court for trial.